This is the gang box that's directly above the dining room table, and it's connected to this gang box over here. This is supposed to be attached to a joist like this. All right, step one, get the brace in. Mind you, I am balancing on your joists. The brace is on the joist on one side, the brace is on the joist on the other. The next step, we're going to connect Romex to your fixture to replace this, which looks like a lamp wire, I suppose. So before I arrived, there was no ground wire. Now the ground is actually connected along with the live and the neutral. All right, so we have the Romex running from a gang box to the fixture that's over here. You have the ceiling brace and the gang box that your new light fixture is attached to. Using the existing hole